In this video, I'll show you how to change your Mailchimp password. So I'm currently logged in already, as you can see. Now come here to the top right, click on your profile icon. You'll get a drop down of different options. I want you to go ahead and click on profile. But before this, please note that you have to be the owner to go ahead and make such changes. You cannot do this if you're a manager. So click on profile. Now here, I want you to just go ahead and scroll down, okay? And here you'll see this section of the right-hand side, change password. So first I'll need to type in my current password, and then I'll have to put in my new password twice, confirm that. Remember guys, they have requirements, one lowercase, one uppercase, a number, special character, and 8 characters minimum, okay? Should not contain your username. So let me go ahead and take care of that. All right, now I'll go ahead and click on update. And here we go. Our password should now be changed. As you can see right here, it has been done. Okay. Another method is to, if you are logged out, okay, let's say I'm logged out. What you just need to do is come here, click on forgot password, right? Then you have to put in your username or email right here. Now just go ahead and click on reset password. They'll send you instructions to your email to go ahead and reset your password. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple.